Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, let me analyze the market with you. Today, we are supposed to check a sell from here. You see this high? You are supposed to sell from there. You are supposed to buy from here. Those who are in my groups, they saw me buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, and then, and then, and then, and then you buy here. That's why you see I'm asking people, did you buy here? So because I bought here and market went up. That's how you are supposed to trade gold. Let me show you how you're supposed to be trading gold. Like yesterday, you see, I took a sell here and I bought here. You buy here, it came again and retested the same place. So also you're supposed to buy here again. Wait for the market to take this high here and then take a sell. That is an ICT concept. You wait for market to check a high and then it reverses. It took this high and then it reverses. It didn't completely reverse. Market ilikuwa inakujia liquidity. After it take this liquidity up, now it had to run down looking for liquidity down. As you can see here, after it took this high, it ran down to check this liquidity below here, and then from there market will completely buy for the whole day. You can see now. So the mega buy, you can see how I label this zone is very strong buy zone. So market came and tapped there, and then it bought completely to the moon. You can see how it bought, and then I gave this sell signal today. I gave this sell signal, another sell signal I gave here, and I told people to buy here. I'm just walking around. I'm just around my. I'm not in my house. That's why you're feeling a lot of wind from outside. Now, I'm the best trader in the world. You can confirm with this one. I gave this buy signal. It is just a very strong buy zone. Came, tapped, bought. Came again, tapped, and then bought completely. That's how we trade here. We are not Bahat sharing. So nice.